Saint Lucia. Just want to say my apologies. Straight from my heart.
Wagwan people, wagwan. I hope you're alright, you know, hope you're doing okay. Welcome back to the channel. If it's your first time here, share, subscribe now, click the bell icon to turn on your post notification. It come like me been missing for quite some time now, but me do apologize for that. Now, Teejay apologized to St. Lucia after saying something me wouldn't call it accidentally, or probably him never did actually, or the consequences that will follow after he made that statement. Me I go play the video, I play the entire video as to what him say, and then the apology or him apologizing for saying what he said in the previous video, and then me I give my opinion as usual. You know the thing go. You see me, so stay tuned, ensure you watch out this video to the end.
Good morning, world. I'm Teejay, and I'm here to give you guys some motivational speech, okay? Hey boy, some no old boy and girl need to go look work, you know. And they get up every day for a man, but that name a chat man, you know, and no want nothing in a life, you know. There me I tell you no, some no girl on no shape like a blood class St. Lucia economy. Hey, some no boy and a girl alone and you made on a bigger you made too, you know. Cause they get up every day a brag and boast and toast and host and all of this bomb thing and where will we go when Corona done? And not own no bed. When not take care of the mother and no pitney. Hey boy, and don't get me grieving now, no go look walk, you know. And come off of people black name as morning light, you know. When you go on the roadside, go sit down and drink beer and blood smoke weed, you know. Go find something there here with their life in 2021, you know. St. Lucia. Just want to say my apologies. Straight from my heart. You understand? Yeah, upon the name of God, upon the name of my children's. Only love, only music. You see me? Yeah, we are entertainers, so you don't know, we entertain people, we laugh, we talk about serious things and make joke at it, because you don't know we have life. And life is the greatest thing. Understand? So I just want to say, only love, love only St. Lucia, my people. I'm respect on 1 billion times. Understand? Yes, so I don't want to take that thing too serious. Because we not worry about nothing. As long as we got life, doing okay, doing alright. For you, I am fine. Love St. Lucia, see?
You see, sometimes we say some things we don't really mean it, you know. You get me? Or let me just say it in your way here. Sometimes we say some things where we don't really think about the negative aspect of it in the long run. We just think about the moment for just get it off our chest, not thinking about the negative energy that we're going to come with what we just say. Now, my viewers, subscribers, TG never know say, yo, the people of St. Lucia would have find what he said offensive. Now, my people, remember, you know, TJ has a lot of fans right across the world, you see me? Especially in the Caribbean. So, how you don't feel if you are from St. Lucia and heard TG said something like that? You're gonna feel a way. Now, even though to me that sound more of like a gimmicks, but as me say, you have this old time saying, say, yo, what joke to you are dead to me. And whether you believe it or not, a whole heap of people down in the comments can say, yo, what that? Or if you say that, what, me not like that. So, them did a demand an apology, and him did have to come make the people them know, say, you watching now? Never mean it like that, but you get me? You see it. Them did have to do it, because my viewers, subscribers, it's not everybody think the same way. You get me? Now, while me and you might find it as a joke, you get me? Because we always do them things here, we always say people shape bad like this and like that. But you're talking about a country's economic. You get me? A country's economic, which is the backbone of a country. You don't want that, because a whole heap of people now go pleased with you saying that. And as me say, I don't believe him did that think at the time when him said that. Hence the reason why he mentioned St. Lucia. And me never know, me don't know nothing about St. Lucia economy, so me can't come comment on that. I guess the up top boss knows something me don't know. You get me? But him did have to come apologize to it, and me rate how him come and be a man and apologize, because you have to understand as an artist, the fan them get you where you there now. So you have to show respect to the fans them. You get me? You can't like you want be unruly and I see you. You see me? And the fan them make who you are. The fan them make you be who you be. So you have to come apologize, and me rate how him do that. Me rate him do that. Even though me never dare expect an apology, because me just believe say it was a joke per se. But when me there pre the comments them, and then me I say, but them a beat him bad, man. So even if you apologize, of course. But my viewer subscribers, what do you think? Comment in the comment section below, man. Until next time, just vibe, I'm out.